If you're planning any serious engine repair or rebuild, one tool you absolutely need is a reliable engine stand. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 of the best engine stands available on Amazon. Let's begin with the Big Red at 26801UR Torin Steel rotating engine stand, a favorite among both home mechanics and professionals. This heavy-duty stand is built to handle up to 1,500 pounds, making it compatible with most automotive engines. Its 360-degree rotating head allows for full access to every angle of the engine, and the lock pin mechanism ensures secure positioning while you work. One of its most practical features is its foldable frame, which saves space in the garage when not in use. Equipped with 5 caster wheels, this stand is surprisingly mobile, even with a heavy load. If you're looking for a durable, high-capacity stand that doesn't take up much room when stored, the Big Red is a top choice. Next is the LAVEVE 3/4-ton engine stand, another robust and affordable option. Designed for engines up to 1,500 pounds, this stand also features a 360-degree rotating head that makes engine access and orientation a breeze. Its heavy-duty steel frame provides great stability, while the 5-caster wheel setup improves balance and maneuverability. LAVEVE has become a go-to brand for shop-grade equipment at budget-friendly prices, and this engine stand is no exception. It delivers commercial-grade strength and functionality without the high-end price tag, making it a smart investment for any home garage or DIY enthusiast. Moving on to something even more robust, we have the KAFL LA 3,000-pound capacity heavy-duty engine stand. As the name suggests, this unit is built for serious work. With an impressive 3,000-pound weight limit, it's suitable for large diesel engines and heavy-duty blocks. The stand includes a 360-degree rotating head and 4 fully adjustable mounting arms, which allow you to securely lock in engines of various shapes and sizes. 6 caster wheels make this beast surprisingly easy to move around, despite its size. It also folds for compact storage, which is a nice touch for such a powerful tool. If you're working on big power plants and need something industrial grade, the KAFLLA is built for you. Next is the Performance Tool W41025 engine stand, a mid-range model that balances quality and price well. With a 1,000-pound capacity, it's ideal for most 4- and 6-cylinder engines. Like the others on this list, it features a 360-degree rotating head for easy access and repositioning. The steel construction is strong and reliable, and the 4 caster wheels offer decent mobility. While it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, it's a dependable tool for regular engine repair and maintenance. If you're on a tighter budget or don't need high-capacity support, this stand provides all the essential features without compromise. Last but not least is the Ironton 1,000-pound capacity rotating engine stand, a compact and efficient solution for at-home mechanics. It supports up to 1,000 pounds, making it suitable for most passenger vehicle engines. The stand features a rotating head that locks into multiple positions, letting you tackle repairs from any angle. Built with solid steel and supported by 4 caster wheels, this model is both sturdy and easy to maneuver around your workspace. It's especially suited for hobbyists or those performing routine maintenance on standard engines. The Ironton is proof that a lower price doesn't have to mean lower performance. Thanks for watching. You'll find links to each of these engine stands in the video description below. Work safely, stay organized, and make every rebuild smoother with the right stand at your side.